Hey, what's up you guys? It's Becca. And I feel like I never really did a video where I said, hello, this is who I am. So that's what this video is going to be for the first half. The second half is going to be for all you people who are going into high school this year, some tips and tricks for your first year. Me, I'm going to tell you 5 facts about me. So number 1, my name is Rebecca Medeiros, as you probably have guessed from Becca Medeiros. Number 2, I'm 15 years old. And if you didn't catch it in my last video, my birthday is January 12th, 1999. Number 3, my background is Portuguese. So I'm from an island that's just off of Portugal called the Azores. Number 4, O2L is life. They are my favorite YouTube group. They are so interactive with their fans and they do the stupidest stuff. I love it. They are fantastic. And number 5, I live on Earth. I'm not going to tell you exactly where because I don't know who any of you are and I do not want you guys stealing my videos, alright? Okay, so for all of you who are going into high school, you're probably freaking out right now. It's the summer before. You're like, I'm going to die. All my teachers are going to hate me. Everything is going to go bad. It is nothing like that. Trust me. The first day is the only bad part. And it's actually one of the best days. The first day, everyone is scared, everyone's freaking out, but then once that day is over, you're fine, honestly. So I have 7 tips for all of you who are going into high school to try and calm your nerves. So number 1, be involved. If there's a club that you hear on the announcements or whatever, and you're like, I want to be in that club. Honestly, you'll make more friends, you'll have fun because it's something that you want to do. As well, you will honestly enjoy school that much more because you'll be like, oh, today I have my club meeting for Beanie Baby Club. I don't know. Okay, so number 2, the big kids, so the juniors and the seniors and the sophomores, they don't hate you. They actually don't even care that you're there. Honestly, if you're cool, they'll be cool with you. It's pretty much that simple. Number 3, when you go to class, especially on the first day, make sure you have everything with you. Make sure you have your pencil case with your pencils and your erasers and your calculator and everything that you think you're going to need, make sure you have it. Okay, so number 4, do your homework. I know that homework is horrible and you don't want to do it, trust me, neither do I. But if you do it, it'll make classes easier, and the teachers will like you more, and plus it'll also boost up your marks. Number 5, hand projects and assignments in on time. So when you have an assignment, I'm not saying as soon as you get it, start it and finish it that night. Like, space out your work. Don't rush yourself. But make sure that when the teacher wants it, you have it ready. Really, I promise, they will not, it'll be good, okay, trust me. Okay, so, number 6, for studying, when you have exams and stuff, and you have to kind of cram it in a little bit, because you didn't do it for the whole 3 weeks that you had time, and you only got 2 days, for me at least, using different highlighters and markers that are different colors works really well. And if you have like a legend on the side, so like yellow is the most important things that you need to know, and like red is things that you don't understand. And number 7, be yourself. I know I already said this earlier kind of, but being yourself is the best thing you can do. So just be yourself, do what you want to do. Like I said before, be involved, do different clubs, do what you want to do, be with the friends that you want to be with. Don't try and change yourself for somebody else, because if you have to change yourself for somebody else, that means that they don't like you for who you are. So, be who you want to be, trust your instincts, be yourself. That is the best advice that I can give you. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. If it helped you out, I'm glad. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down what grade you're going into, and if there's anything that you're really nervous about. So, like, comment, subscribe. That's about it. Bye.